How to use live stickers in Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use live stickers in your Facebook Messenger. So let us begin. First of all, go ahead and check if there are live stickers for you. To do that, simply open up your emoji and swipe right. After you do that, you will see the stickers section there. Now to add more stickers in there, all you need to do is open up a photo and go to any live picture that you want to make a sticker of. Now if you use a live photo, do not forget that that very live photo will later change into a static sticker. So simply long press on the picture and you will see add sticker option pop up. Tap on it. Now there you will see edit picture. Now if you see there is add effect. Now you can even add effect like outlines, make it comic, make it puffy, shiny, and so much more. So just select one, tap on done, and there you have it. You have just added a sticker. Now you can go back to your messenger, tap on your emoji panel, and just select the stickers, and there you have it. Now you have just sent a live sticker in Facebook Messenger, and that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.